Hello everyone, my name is Hardik Vavadiya. I'm really excited to share my experience with Code and Game Academy. Learning under the guidance of my tutor sir has been amazing a journey. His teaching style is a clear, practical, and filled with real-world examples, even making even the toughest topics easy to understand. During at my time academy, I learned game development, coding fundamentals, and much more. These skills have truly transformed my whole career. Today, I am proud to be working as a game developer at Infinity Infotech Ahmedabad. What makes the Code and Game Academy and myself so special is the personal attention they give, the real industry insights they share, and their strong focus on building both skills and confidence. If you are serious about building a career in tech, I highly recommended Code and Game Academy. Joining them was one of the best decisions I made for my career. Thank you.